Alright, man, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy OSM-G, also Miami G, and I'm back with another reaction video for y'all. So, what we got today is we have chills. 5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell camera. You feel me? I seen this and it looked interesting. You feel me? So, if y'all scared to watch, a scary video, click off right now. But if you like it, let's watch it.
Number 5. What you're looking at is
What is
Santa
that?
Clarita,
That's
California
fire?
during the tick fire of 2019. The homeowner
What are
writes,
some
the
Cali
fire had
fires,
just started,
man?
and within
Oh my
minutes it
God.
surrounded our home.
Yeah, shoot.
People were evacuated only minutes before the fire approached.
That's not fair. That's not fair, bro. Minutes before, but these people could have died, man. What the heck? Look at all of that. Jesus. Boy, I know they scared, boy. I would have been going crazy.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burned through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people.
Excuse me.
Luckily,
Sorry.
no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
Oh, that's good. That's crazy. Just
Number
imagine
4.
number 1.
It's everyone's worst nightmare, a home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
Nah.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
I would have beat him.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
It was getting good, man. I don't care about them cars, man. I got a car.
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f*** are you?
Didn't mean to run in your house. Didn't mean to run in your house. He got you on camera. What are you talking about? You talking about didn't mean to go in your house. You just... What? You can't go inside of somebody's house by
The homeowner
mistake.
doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
Man left his door unlocked.
Somebody's got the back door, dude.
Yo!
For real.
For
He ran
real.
out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I'm not joking, dude.
I know, I see the light.
I would have been going bunky.
Number 3.
Man.
You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker.
Of course not.
He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit
Why you got his
anxious.
hand in his pocket, bruh? Get your hand out your pocket. What that is?
He tries to force the door.
Bro.
No,
Listen, bro. People who do stuff like this, bro. Y'all don't check to see if it's a camera right, like looking at y'all. You feel me? Like y'all don't check that. I'm confused because I ain't no thief, no robber, no breaking in nobody's house. But like, if I'm gonna do something like that, don't you gotta be like aware of everything? Like, people retarded, man. Like, come on, bro.
notice he does so with a glove. No prints.
People are crazy.
Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime.
Oh, he had a homie with him.
Then he calls someone on the radio.
Oh, this is a setup. I'm looking in. Okay, what's going on?
His partner arrives.
You ain't got on gloves?
Armed with the tools to break in.
Nah, they did the full.
In short
Man,
order,
got a
they try and force
screwdriver.
the door. But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
That boy scared.
Thwarted.
Get away from the
He
door.
got down on. Not today. That boy took off on him. He didn't even care. Oh my God, he didn't even care. He didn't wait or nothing. Just took off.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera, chasing them away.
Get away from the door.
And triggering an alarm.
That's for the popos. Get away from the door. Dang, boy.
Number
Them boys
two.
didn't care. Oh.
Would you open the door?
Get
if
ready.
you came dressed like this? These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner.
Oh, that boy got dope. Blicky, boy. You see that in the coat?
These two suspicious men are trying to pull.
Look, that boy got dope. Blicky. Oh, man. Bro. Oh, man.
Over on
On
this homeowner.
camera.
They're knocking at 3 in the
Jit, you just looked at the camera. Jit just looked at the camera, bro. What's up? What's up, bro? Jit just looked at the camera, bro. And you still trying to rob the man or the people who there, bro. What? And then what's all of this? These all other cribs or something? You ain't scared for that, bro? You ain't worried? Well, you not worried about that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bro, you got like 10 houses behind you, bro.
They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
3 in the morning? Okay. Oh, he pulled out the blicky.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
Nah.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
Columbus.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
Facts. Dang, he transferring the blicky. Oh man, this is nothing to laugh about. You feel me? This is a
Tries
serious
again.
moment. This is crazy. Y'all would have been nervous, bro. Tell me, y'all, if y'all would have been nervous, boy. No cat, that boy got the blicky, bro.
At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD,
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Meanwhile, the homeowner has called the cops.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
According to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the US average.
Ohio. Ain't that boy ready?
There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
Wait, what?
Burglaries per 100,000 residents.
641 burglaries. 641 burglaries. Oh my gosh, bro.
In 2019.
Gosh. Dang, man. They crazy out there.
They try knocking again.
They keep showing their face.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
Y'all don't hear that?
Finally, they give up and they walk away empty-handed.
Whoa.
Number 1.
That's crazy.
A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
Oh. Oh. Oh shoot. They driving. Oh. That's their crib.
This has been documented reality.
What the? What?
Thank you to these individuals for allowing me to share their story. Watch the last episode.
Wait, what? That's it? Wait, I thought it was like we were gonna pick up the house and stuff, like something. You feel me? Like, yeah, don't get me wrong, that's some scary. Hey, that's some. Hey, that's scary. But dang, I thought it would be longer. Anyways, bruh. It's your boy OSM-G, osm-G. Thank y'all for coming to watch this with me. You feel me? I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.